Ay, video pala.
Hi guys!
Tomorrow.
Morning! Sunshine. Ngayon, magjo-jogging daw kami. Kunyari. Tapos pagdating ko sa may dulo, may bakery. Bilit na tinapay. Pwede ko sa katalik ko. Ay si Coach. Cockroach. Yan si Cockroach. Ha? Yan. Mamaya, ay, tatakbo kami. Hindi, nakaumbo siya. Kunyari lang. Nakaumbo siya. Oh, excuses. Saka si Angel. Ayan ulit. Good morning, sunshine. Una. Ako lang magbibideo sa inyo. Hindi eh. Wala mga ganito. Saan ba tayo tatakbo? Wala pa kayong mas ha. Baka mamaya huli tayo. Hindi, dito naman sa loob ng subdivision. Pwede naman kahit wala kang suot na mask. Kasi, tignan nyo. Huwag lang doon sa may aso ha. Scared eh. Ay, takbo nga tayo. Ay, doon tatakbo. Ay, oh, sunshine. Sunshine.
Ay, pumilit kayo ah! Takbo niya parang papahabol sa jowa. Right? Sarap mag-jogging dito kasi sa loob kami sa subdivision. Medyo kulob siya. Ang puno. Sarap na sa paa. Saka dito walang magana sa sakyan. Hindi magano mausok. Ang ganda rito may aso. Pag inawal gawin sa puno. Ano sila? Kaya pagod na.
Tapos balik na pag ano naman.
Pagod na sila.
Okay, warm up na kami.
Sige. Nabalik tayo mamaya. Yan po, ano? Takot-takot na ako. Jogging daw. Wala pa kaming pawis ba? Wala pa kaming mga pawis guys. Pagod na guys. Yeah. Yun po ah.
Hey, walking is the best than jogging.
Bibili po nga.
Kaya,
Bibili kami ng ano. Bibili kami ng pandesal.
bibili na kami ng pandesal kaya kami kumain. Saka bukod dun, may aso kasi kaya. May aso kasi kaya ako sa aso.
Dito yung lugar nilang subdivision pero yung mga aso na sa kalsada. Bilihan ito ng pandesal sarado ah.
Si Chok Chok, nakita ko na si Chok Chok. Ayan o, bukas.
Ayun ba yan?
Ano si Chok Chok o?
Ready, takbo na ulit. Guys, yun po no, pahinga muna kami. Tapos, bili na kayo pandesal. Yes!
Sabi, sa flex mo. Flex.
Di wow. Napagod po, napagutom lang po kami. Hindi isa. Eyewitness. Opo, ito po no. Kain na po.
Many unbearable hours later.
This way to... Oo.
Here in Divine
Parsonage. Ay, alam niyo ba yung yung 3 o'clock habit? Pag 3 o'clock. Dito yun. Oh. Tapos ilaw na yan.
Then after you put
Paano
the
maingay?
candle, what gonna next?
I will put inside your mouth. Ito yung photography.
Then this is the church. This is a small chapel that they pray. This is the Catholic church that the building or the church that they what do you call this, that they will go in Sunday mass. This is the church themselves, chapel. This is the building. This is gonna nice building here. And the communion pray. Tour you guys inside this church, this building. They have their like a prayer vigil, and then gonna have prayer. So Jesus Christ, the build the imahe of Jesus Christ building. This is Jesus Christ in the center. This Peter. That's a Mary Angel Locsin. Look at this building. What's this? I think when they have a big gathering, they do this. They do this as a little gathering. But inside the church is a small church. There's a small church that they gathered. This time when Jesus rose in the dead, this is the tomb that they buried. Yeah. Then Jesus, after 3 days he died. He rose from the dead, and the guard is amazed that Jesus Christ is rose from the dead after 3 days.
After Jesus Christ sentenced to death,
He buried inside the tomb.
ito muna lang, ito susumugin mo. Dito ka, Carlos.
After Jesus get the soldier, and he punished, then after he nailed in the cross. After nailing the cross, after a few hours, he died. And this tomb, this tomb is Jesus go inside there, put it inside, and then after that, after 3 days, he rose from the dead. There, English too. There. I think in Holy Week they reenactment the
Mama Mary. Nato pinansin. Mama Mary na.
Mama Mary is there. And Jesus there is nailed in the cross. You know why Jesus died on the cross? It's because of you. He loves you. But because He loves you, they loves us. He loved us. He nailed in the cross for you. He died for us. Eh, maputik na dyan.
Dito tayo dapat.
Saan tayo pupunta? Where we're going? There? Look at that girl. She is walking under the sun. It's so hot here. Be careful, madam. Pwede rin pala dumaan dun. It's a big church. Then church, and then Jesus Christ. The imahe of Jesus Christ. So I'm tired. Look at the church. And then it's the imahe of Jesus Christ.
A few inches later.
Yakiniku man. Yakiniku. Ano yan? Grill beef bun. Tapos ito naman. Ano to? Butaman to. Ayan. Ayan, cute to. Merong cute. Butaman. Para siyang sopaw. Yeah. Tapos may print na lower lang. O siya. Kasi, tayo natin si Carl. Bili siya ng drinks. natin nakuha yun kanina. Ano nakuha? Ano card? Ano tayo tatapos kayo? Tatapos niya. Ah?
Doon mga rigo to.
Dito kami sa Tokyo. Nikuman. Dito sa street nila. We're having a lunch. Yeah, this one. Like this. Yeah. Nikuman. Japanese band.
Okay ba yung tour mo sa Bulacan?
Okay.
Kailangan makapunta ka sa river nila, bit-bit.
Japan to, di ba? Ba't ka punta tayo sa Bulacan? Ako'y nag-tutor ngayon, city by city. Galing namin kami Cavite.
Ang gusto punta ng kuya mo.
Ngayon naman nasa Bulacan. Sabay kami. Doon kami sa apartment. Okay, enjoy muna natin yung food.